gonna make papadi no load, which is very quick and easy recipe for lunch, or you can have it for snack. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 bowl of rice flour. Just make sure whatever bowl you use the same for water measurement. So if you are using the 1 bowl of rice flour, you're gonna use 2 bowls of water. 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Chili paste according to your taste. Half a cup of cilantro. 1 teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste. Teaspoon of baking soda. Add water. So as I have taken 1 bowl of rice flour, so I'm gonna add 2 bowls of water. Second. Now turn the heat on high flame and start adding the spices. I have taken 1.5 teaspoon according to our taste. Ajwain and jeera. Boil it, and then we're gonna add chili paste and cilantro. Cover the vessel. Now you can see it has come to the boiling point. So now we're gonna add baking soda first. So make sure you add baking soda before chili paste, so otherwise you all will be coughing. So here I'm adding baking soda, chili paste, I have added like 1 teaspoon. Now you can see the water is boiling. I'm gonna add cilantro. Now I will add rice flour. And just mix it well with any kind of rolling pin or any wooden stick. And just make sure there is no lumps left. Now turn the heat off. Now you can see this mixed so well. So now we're gonna steam it. You can use any kind of steamer. That I usually use that idli cooker. Now add that load. Spread them on the tray. So prepared, and let it steam for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's been like 15 minutes. So we're gonna check how it looks. Yeah, this looks perfect. It's cooked. Now we will serve it. It's now ready to serve. You can serve it with the achar masala and any kind of oil. It tastes best with the peanut oil, so do try with the peanut oil. Thank you for watching.